What's going on, guys? So we are about 1,147 miles away from our destination in Oregon. I just stopped at this random exit and it's like a Wendy's here, so I'm gonna get something to eat over there. Come, Milo. Come, Max. Well, yeah, guys, I'm about to put the dogs up. Oh my gosh, yo, it feel like it's like 30 degrees out here. Woo! Probably colder than that, to be honest. It's literally probably like 20 degrees. It's just too cold. Where Milo at? I know he following me somewhere. Where you at? Oh yeah. What'd I tell you? I knew it. All right, guys, go get some food. Really good. Cannot complain. Wendy's need to pay me. Sponsor me, Wendy's. Listen, when I tell you this breakfast is, I never had this. It's like a honey chicken something from Wendy's. Look at that. Oh my gosh, this thing slaps. I think have you wanting to dance, you know? Okay. I am driving through heavy winds. I seen a sign a while ago that said 45 miles per hour winds. So that's what I'm going through right now. All right, Milo, all right. So I'm going through 45 miles per hour winds right now, and you can definitely feel it when you're driving the trucks. You know, the wind is blowing on the truck very heavy. You know, it sometimes it gets so strong where it's like blowing you out of the lane. So you got to make sure, you know, you're holding tight to the steering wheel and you're maintaining the proper lane function. All right, come. You all right? It looks like the road is closed. I did see a sign back there that's saying that it would be closed, but sometimes it's like that and it's not closed. So it looks like it's closed. That's why I hate going this way this time of year when it's winter time, because as soon as the winter months kick in, I'm telling you, Wyoming and all that stuff, those states, and especially the northern states going out west, they don't play. I'm passing tracks of snow even getting to right where I'm at, but look at this. It's literally, I can literally set my trailer brakes and get out the truck on the freeway right now. Look. So guys, still going through this traffic.
12 minutes of delay, we're adding to your route.
Man, it's definitely more than that. So stop lying, GPS. So I'm pretty sure the road is gonna be closed. I don't know why though. It's not really any snow that I can even see down the road or anything. But who knows, man, it might be black ice. You know, it's not really any telling. But man, it's always these problems. Last year on the same highway, they shut down the freeway for a whole weekend. So I was just stuck at some truck stop area for a whole weekend because of black ice. And when they finally opened it, it was still black ice. So I'm like, y'all could have just let us go. But I remember too, I seen so many trucks that slid off the road. It was crazy. Even I almost slid a little bit because, you know, black ice, man, you better know what you're doing, man. So guys, they really closed the road. So now we getting off at this exit. So everyone pretty much has to get off this exit 310 here in Wyoming. It's a Love's, a Pilot, and a Petro. So hopefully I can get parking at one of these three and quick, because it is a lot of trucks behind me, as you guys can see probably in my mirror right there. All right, guys, so I just backed into a spot. A lot of these truck drivers look pissed off, but I'm like, you know, it's nothing that we could do, man. People need to learn how to just relax. There's nothing that you could do except just, okay, pull over. And I'm not mad. I'm about to go game. Modern Warfare 2 came out. Yo, this Call of Duty is absolutely amazing. I've been playing it like crazy, and I've been sniping and just murking people, man. You don't get no better than COD. as you can see, they open back up the roads. The roads are really not bad. You know, just out here in the Alaskan landscapes. You understand? I got a real heavy load, so every time I'm going up, you know, an upgrade, it's real difficult to go up there with speed. I'm definitely enjoying putting out the vlogs more often, man. You know, I'm trying to build that community that can vibe with a brother, you know, understand me, and you know what I mean, just people that want to have dialogue about whatever, you know. I'm here. Oh my gosh, guys, look at that. It's a crash. The car is rolled over. Yeah, they definitely rolled over. Look at that, guys. That's insane, yo. Stopping the whole traffic. I'm wondering what happened. I was wondering why that truck in front of me just started to slow down. I have to stop because it's just beautiful, man. Like, a lot of people would never see this in their life, you know. So definitely soak up the opportunities. You know, as a matter of fact, before I got into trucking, I never really used to like America for real, you know. But when I got into it, I'm like, man, this country is really a beautiful country, you know. Just sometimes the people just suck here. But that's the little trail. We're gonna walk up that mountain, see what's going on up there. Usually it's like little chipmunks and stuff running out there. But that's when it's warm though. It's cold, so they're probably on the ground or something. I'm not sure. All right, guys, got the camera, got the boots. Definitely got to get the boots. Stuff everywhere, man. I gotta organize some stuff, and I gotta get my jacket because it is freezing out there. I'll put you on a leash, Max, because you be tripping. Come, jump down. All right, we it, you see? Tripping already, man. Hold on, Max. Come, Milo. Come, boy, come. Look at him, come on. Beautiful, man. Let's go up there and see what's going on. Man, it's cold as heck out here, man. Oh my gosh. What's crazy is going up here is a very steep climb. I don't know if the GoPro is showing it very well, but it's steep as heck, man. It's a beautiful climb. Come on, Max. Let's go. Milo, you see, I would put you down, but I don't know if you're gonna make it. Oh, snap. I don't know if you're gonna make it up here, Milo. I gotta be careful. And look back. You can tell I'm getting high up. Look at that. That's crazy. Come on, Max, come on, man. We can't stop on a trail. Nothing, not even coming out. You're too enough. All right, come, Milo. I can put you down now. Come. Oh, sorry, Milo. Come, Milo. Look at this, guys. Oh, look at that bird. But this is absolutely beautiful, man. It doesn't get no better than this. Yo, that little hike up here got me out of breath. Woo! Hear the Milo? Milo! Absolutely incredible. Guys, this is the best view. It doesn't get no better than this, right, Milo? It's moments like this that I just realized, like, I really love what I do. You know, get to see the country, different seasons. And I'm telling you, man, just seeing places like this that a lot of people will never see, it literally gets no better than this, guys. It gets no better than this. Absolutely incredible. Not too far from Salt Lake City, and it's just beautiful up here.